How to cut aloe vera plant to use. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that is often used for its medicinal properties. It can be used to soothe burns, skin irritations, and other minor injuries. The plant can be bought at most pharmacies or health food stores. Aloe vera plants can also be grown at home. When using an aloe vera plant for the first time, it is important to know how to cut it. Aloe vera plants have a thick, green skin that covers the inner gel. The gel is the part of the plant that is used for medicinal purposes. To cut an aloe vera plant, start by cutting off one of the leaves near the base of the plant. Cut the leaf close to the stem, but do not cut into the stem. Use a sharp knife or scissors to cut the leaf. Once you have cut off a leaf, use a sharp knife or scissors to cut off the green skin of the leaf. Be careful not to cut into the inner gel. You can then use the inner gel of the leaf for medicinal purposes. If you are not going to use the inner gel right away, you can store it in a sealed container in the fridge. The gel will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Aloe vera plants can be used to soothe burns, skin irritations, and other minor injuries. The plant can be bought at most pharmacies or health food stores. Aloe vera plants can also be grown at home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.